Thank you all for joining. This is our second dental venture capital pitch. This is a fun one. My name is Travis Rogers. I run a group called Dental Venture Capital. We are not a dental venture capital firm, but we advise startups. Many of the people that are pitching today are in our first group of advisory clients, and we take companies from idea to exit. So help startups find investors, advisors, partners, customers, and potentially acquirers. If you want to learn more, go to dentalvc.org. Current customers are Tooth Pillow, who's grown from $2 million in revenue a year now to $1 million a month in revenue. Envo Dent is ready to launch. Woods, we're taking them from idea to launch here. Effects and the others, many of those that are on there will be pitching today.
Thanks, Travis, for having me. Appreciate the opportunity. Good to see everybody. So many familiar faces here. For those that don't know Revere, we started a little over 4 years ago now since inception. We set out to really change the landscape of dentistry as a whole, as well as healthcare ventures and how dentistry fits into healthcare ventures. We want to elevate innovations in this space, and the way that we choose to advance the space is through advancements in science and technology. For those that don't know, Revere has 4 main departments. We have our venture fund. Revere's Fund 1 will be fully deployed as of this quarter, Q3. Revere is raising and has largely raised a second fund. It'll make its first investment starting in Q of this year. We have our corporate services that I just spoke about before, kind of client services relationships with larger firms that are looking to either partner or invest or M&A in the space. We have Revere Plus. It's our syndicate. So many of you may have raised directly there. It's a process that works in parallel to the venture capital fund. And then Revere Plus for pros, it's sort of a premium product that sits on top of Revere Plus. It's our fund administration services. So things to know as you kind of go into this with Revere and to other perhaps investors in the space.
I'm Vishar, the co-founder of ToothPod. We've had toothbrushes since 3000 BC, yet tooth decay is still the most prevalent chronic disease in the world, impacting nearly 100% of the population. On average, people consume 17 teaspoons of sugar daily, and only 1 in 25 of us follows the complete oral hygiene regimen recommended by dentists. Of course, because having a sink and running water everywhere you go on the go, given how busy we are, is nearly impossible. But what if you could have oral hygiene anywhere? Introducing ToothPod, a dental smart chewable to clean your teeth when there's no access to a toothbrush or toothpaste. Enamel is not something that naturally cannot be built, so this is one of the unique properties of ToothPod. Our current data has showed that bacteria related to tooth decay, gum inflammation, and bad breath has reduced after chewing 3 tooth pods, and good bacteria has increased. And we're now doing further clinical trials at Harvard School of Dental Medicine. Our business model is B2B through dentists, where the dentists purchase the tooth pods at cost, making their clinic more premium, increasing patient retention. The patient tries it and then can purchase it online or at our store, giving us 60% margins.
Hi, my name is Erie Swedeking, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Identical, where we are revolutionizing tooth replacement with our drill-free dental implants. As the wife of a dentist for 20 years, I'm well aware that most people do not like going to the dentist. Furthermore, I know most people do not want a drill like this heading towards their mouth. This highly invasive procedure involves a 13% risk of causing nerve damage. Here's how our technology works. First, the dentist extracts the failed tooth. Next, they scan the extracted tooth root and they send us that scan file as a digital file. We then use that scan and our patented approach to design and 3D print a customized implant, which we then ship back to the dentist. And within 6 days of the extraction, any dentist can easily take the identical implant and place it right back into the native socket site. And it achieves initial stability without any adhesive because of our unique design features that create a tight press fit in the socket.
I'm Sam Rockwood, founder and CEO of Woods. Our mission is to modernize payments for dental offices. My background is in insurance. I'm a health actuary, worked at various large insurance companies that you've heard of, and over the last 5 years helped to scale a tech startup called Level out of New York in the payment space. If you are a dental office working with insurance, then close to 60 to 70% of the payments you get from the insurance company are checks in the mail. Why do insurance companies love checks so much? Well, they don't. Actually, they love virtual credit cards, which are another bad way of getting paid. There are some dental offices who are beginning to enroll in electronic funds transfer, EFTs. This is what the ADA strongly encourages dentists to use. This is the fastest and most secure way of getting paid. But a recent study shows by CAQH shows that still only 21% of payments from insurance to dentists are fully electronic. what we're doing at Woods. First two products are simple: an enrollment form to receive all of the office and banking information. And when it comes to reconciliation, Woods dashboard is amazing because you have all of your EOBs in one place.
Here's what we got cooking. AI's here and it's coming to dental and we're bringing it. Go Dental AI is the first automated data platform for the data industry. So we roll all of our own LLMs. We make them all right here in the good old United States of America with our own nerds. We also are dental tech agnostic. So our solution fits into Dentrix, EagleSoft, all dental platforms, PMSs, etc. Our data that we are collecting is AI training ready, and the dentists own their own data because just like the protection on your phone, dental industry needs to protect their data as well. So what is going on here? Well, what we see coming at us in the future is AI-mediated healthcare. My name's Tim Rich. I'm the CEO. I'm the former head of data at Publicis Group, which is the world's largest holding company. So here's what we're doing. We are taking the four main components of the dental back office pipeline and automating it with AI. Eligibility is in market now, running, cranking, dentists are using it.
Thank you so much for having me, Payman Montezemi, founder and CEO of Finally Quiet. 12 years ago, my wife is a dentist and brought to my attention that she has tinnitus, which is ear ringing and hearing loss. And we started basically a company called Finally Quiet because she said it came from the heart. We're in the seed round raising $2 million, and we are dental noise canceling in an AI-driven wireless communication system. So how was the last visit at your dentist? Well, there we go. This is the sound of a dental drill that everybody is very familiar with. And I'll stop the madness, but the problem is that every single dental tool, makes noise. And of course, that noise has various impacts. I'm a previous chief technology officer. We already have a first patent that was granted on high frequency noise. And we just 2 months ago cracked the code for vibration, which will allow us to also remove the vibrations in the jaw of the patient. We're the only ones having this technology. So our solution for dental, guess what? Well, we have the patient headphones that will calm the patient down.
I am Dr. Mark Thorson. I am a retired general dentist, dental educator, dental innovator, and dental sales professional. Inflatrix is being evaluated by key opinion leaders in the clinical, industry, and academic areas. We have 2 patents. We have a trademark, and the FDA says that Inflatrix is a 510K exempt device. I've lived this problem on both sides of the chair. It takes place almost 1,000 of these restorations. It takes an average clinician between 60 and 75 seconds to place this hardware. Time is money, even at this level. So what's the solution? The solution is Inflatrix. It's one piece. It goes into place in under 30 seconds. It's very, very comfortable for the patient. And you see in the photo here, step 1, that's me. I'm patient 0, the first person to ever get a filling with Inflatrix. Our water is flowing through the syringe here, moving through the pink one-way valve and into the device. The other photos here represent the fact that nothing in the procedural steps changes after the use of Inflatrix.
I am the CEO of Wise Implants. We are in collaboration with Z3D Lab in France. We're introducing today the Alive Inside dental implants. With a growth rate of 10% for dental implants, both US and globally. The market is soaring, and yet there are 1 million failures reported in the FDA's MOD database in the last 2 years. So the body rejects implants. They typically are rejected after a few years. A lot of them have inflammation. So what is our solution? We have a matrix of honeycomb openness that goes all the way through the inside of the implant. And we have a material, a new alloy that is biocompatible. Here's an image of our implant. And notice on the left and right, there are actual micro CT scans of the in vivo tests that were done with these implants, with cells growing all the way through the center of the implant.
Hi, everyone. Nathan Monti, co-founder and CEO of Enamel Pure. Enamel Pure is attacking the preventive dentistry market, not the restorative side where the dentist is, but the preventive side where the hygienist is. The technology has not changed in over 50 years. Our solution is a device. It's a combination of a laser and a camera. The laser does the clinical procedures, cleaning the teeth, hardening the teeth to replace interoffice fluoride, as well as a whitening solution. The camera is used to replace interoffice cameras and interoffice scanning. Laser cleaning is quieter, faster, non-contact. You can do a complete plaque removal as well as kills all the bacteria for the first time ever. The laser hardening purification is 10 times harder than in-office fluoride, and the whitening solution is convenient. The patient drives home with a whitening mouth guard in their mouth.
Hi, I'm Michael Duckwitz. I'm CEO and founder of Abrux, and we're developing a biofeedback headband for people who clench and grind their teeth. So meet Emily. Emily is frustrated because every morning she wakes up with pain in her jaw and her teeth from clenching and grinding. She wears a mouth guard from her dentist ever since she had a cracked tooth from clenching, but it doesn't stop the pain in her jaw. And she visited the audiologist because she thought she had an ear infection, but she was told it was referred pain from her jaw. But Emily isn't alone. 12.8% of people in the United States suffer from bruxism, as it's called, and 13 million of them suffer from severe bruxism. But what if Emily could stop the clenching and grinding? And that's exactly what our biofeedback headband Somnus does. It stops the clenching and the grinding the moment it starts without waking the user. And now Emily is happy. She rises fully rested and without pain, and she can engage in her day.
My name is Nitish Agarwal. I'm the co-founder of SmileDial. So SmileDial is revolutionizing the dental office communication with AI. So our vision in the long run is to become the leading provider of all AI-driven receptionist systems for dental offices and practitioners worldwide. So this is a problem that all of us have, no matter who we are, CEOs, co-founders, dental students, dentists, no matter what. We have a lot of missed appointments, whether it happens to us, whether whether we're the ones doing the missed appointments. And then also there's a bunch of delayed treatment, as well as there's poor patient communication. So SmileDial is solving this by having a 24/7 AI receptionist platform. So our AI receptionist platform allows timely updates and provides scheduling assistance to patients. Some of the key features of our platform do automated appointment scheduling with real-time availability, and it's integrated seamlessly into all dental PMSs, whether it's Open Dental, EagleSoft, Dentrix. We are fully developed and integrated into all of them.
So I'm Dr. Emily Letrand. I am on the advisory board of Nutrigenic. The problem we have are patient recovery. When patients have surgery, extraction, perio, implant, that's extended downtime. They're taking time off work, they're complaining. The challenge with the dentist is to increase revenue. So Nutrigenic has multiple products. The one I'm focusing on today is X Oral Fix, which is a gel that you can use. And this gel is using patent growth factor technology that has already been used in burn centers for skin, and it's been used already with plastic surgeon. The competitive advantage is it is a patent formula. We have a great team of experienced and talented scientists and engineers. We go right here. The target market is specifically on this product will be obviously healthcare dentists. The other versions of it, which would be a spray, and you can also drink it. You can use it for example, dental spa, dental med spa, and also in health and beauty.
Scott Cadle, retired dentist, probably given 40,000 dental injections in my life. I don't like waiting on them. My patients don't like waiting on them. They hurt. It's because they're acidic. Space flight is also less painful and more likely to succeed. That is unfortunately true. So what if there was a better anesthetic? Less painful, faster onset, more reliable. Save everybody time, more referrals, more income, shorter work days, happier dental providers.
I'm the CEO and founder of Noboso. Modernization of footwear, sedentary lifestyles, and increases in chronic disease such as neuropathy, stroke, MS, and Parkinson's has left us with a pandemic of sensorially disconnected movement and really disconnecting from our feet. Now, the biggest concern with this, especially in my space, is falls. Traditional orthotics and medical grade insoles are essentially failing to address the way that we are supposed to look at human movement, and that is through skin stimulation. Meet Noboso. Noboso is a sensory technology company that develops products that are designed to stimulate the skin in the bottom of the feet. Now, all of our products, whether it's our insoles, socks, mats, or any of our release tools, are covered with these tiny little pyramids that are designed to stimulate the nerves in the feet. Essentially, how it works is that when you stimulate the nerves in the feet, it's going to wake up and communicate with the brain, part of the brain called the somatosensory cortex, which is used to tell the body where it is in space, that ultimately controls balance, posture, and gait. Naboso is based off of dozens of textured insole research studies, and then we use that research to create our own proprietary texture. This is a 2-point discrimination texture that we were granted a utility patent in 2023. We have 2 accepted and granted design patents, another 8 pending patents.
If you're interested in attending our next event, it will be August 27th. If you go to dentalvc.org, this will be a 5-minute pitch, give everybody a few more minutes on their presentations.